Hello, my dear seniors. How are you all these days? I hope you all are fine. So, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Physical Education Adda. Today, I have brought a mock test for MPED entrance exam. I hope you all will learn many things from my video. So, let's start the mock test. Jogging, swimming, and cycling are a part of which? Let me tell you the answer. The answer will be option number B. Good evaluation of written material should not be based on. The correct answer is option number D. Number of matches in first round of knockout tournament of 23 teams will be. Which is the most common site of fracture? Which is the most common site of fracture? Pelvis, wrist, knee, or ankle? The correct answer is option number B, wrist. You all can read the question. Sorry, the correct answer will be. The correct answer of this question will be option number A, YMCA College of Physical Education. The question was an institution of physical education that was established in 1920 by Mr. Harry Crow Buck is known as. The correct answer is YMCA College of Physical Education, option number A. The term beamer is associated with which sports? The term beamer is associated with which sports? The correct answer will be option number D. The the science that studies motion is. Where is the question? The correct answer is option number. Which of the following is considered as genetic endowment? The correct answer is option number C, speed. The basic component of health related fitness. The basic component of health related fitness. The correct answer of this question is option number C. How many number of holes are in a full length golf field? 30, 18, 20, 20. Option has been repeated. The correct answer will be option number B. Single Nelson term is associated with which of the following sports? The correct answer will be option number C, wrestling. The best method of teaching physical activities is. Very easy question. The correct answer will be option number dash talks about the importance to the specified capability of an individual. The correct answer of this question will be option number hosting of Olympic Games is awarded to. Where is he again? Again is the question. hosting of Olympic Games is awarded to? The correct answer is option number professional preparation of physical education teacher is governed by. The term needing is concerned with. The term needing is concerned with. The correct answer will be the graphic method of studying dispersion is called. The graphic method of studying dispersion is known as. The correct answer of this question will be option number who is the father of psychology? Who is the father of psychology? The correct answer will be option number the next question is development of healthy habits does not depend on. Development of healthy habits does not depend on. The correct answer of this question is your choice option number B. The Internet Explorer was invented and released by. The Internet Explorer was invented and released by Microsoft Corporation option number C. Which of the following test is the best measure of body composition? Which of the following test is the best measure of body composition? The correct answer of this question will be option number spirometer is used to measure. Spirometer is used to measure option number of the correct answer of this question will be option number A, vital capacity. Pyramid training was invented by. Pyramid training was invented by. The correct answer is Americans. Arnold Schwarzenegger was the who was the one who invented pyramid training. You all have came across this question. The correct answer of this question will be option number C, music. Which is the best activity to promote self-confidence in the students? Which is the best activity to promote self-confidence in the students? The correct answer of this question will be option number C. The first book on micro teaching in India was written by which of the following author? The correct answer of this question will be option number A, Arnold. Which of the theory of motivation has biological orientation? Which of the theory of motivation has the biological orientation? The correct answer of this question will be option number blood is deoxygenated in muscle, arteria, heart, lungs. The correct answer of this question will be option number A. Top spin on volleyball causes. It will be causes. Top spin on volleyball causes. While administering CPR, what is breath to compression ratio? While administering CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, what is the breath to compression ratio? The correct answer will be identify the fundamental unit of the muscle. Identify the fundamental unit of the muscle. Myosin, actin, and myosin filaments or actin. The correct answer will be option number. The most important cause of failure for teaching lies up in the area of. The correct answer will be option number lack of command over the knowledge of the subject. How many number of books are there in Lakshmibai National Institute of Physical Education Gwalior Library? The correct answer of this question will be there are total 60,000 books. Micro teaching is more effective. Micro teaching is more effective. The correct answer will be option number the Olympic motto CTS LTS 40s was coined by. You all don't get confused in this question. Let me tell you the answer of this question will be option number. The Olympic motto CTS LTS 40s was coined by Father Henry Didion. Approximate glycogen stored in the liver of sportsman is about. Bones are classified on the basis of. Bones are classified on the basis of. The correct answer will be in long jump, wind velocity is measured for a period of dash seconds. The correct answer will be critical thinking is the necessary part of which kind of research? The correct answer will be option number. What is an athlete heart? What is an athlete heart? An ability to act or overcome against resistance is known as. The correct answer will be which of the following is not a test of volleyball? Which of the following is not a test of volleyball? Which micromineral repairs and maintains body cell? Which micromineral repairs and maintains body cell? Measure of central tendency help us to know. Measure of central tendency help us to know. Identify the macronutrient that supplies almost 9 calories of energy per gram. Milo, who has a record of participating in 6 ancient Olympic Games, was a. Where do nails grow from our body? Where do nails grow from our body? Which angle is formed between knee and hip? Which angle is formed between knee and hip? Sergeant jump measures. Sergeant jump measures. In which year the ancient Olympic Games banned? Preschool children learn things by. Preschool children learn things by. The correct answer will be second quartile is also known as. Second quartile is also known as. The correct answer is French short service test is used for which game? The correct answer is Jeev Milka is associated with. Jeev Milka is associated with. Much of the history of physical education in ancient India can be known from the study of the Vedas. This was my last question. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please like and comment your views how the video was, and if you want me to come up with more such mock tests, then please subscribe my channel Physical Education Adda and do comment how the video was. Thank you for watching, my seniors.